Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Layla who loved to play in her garden. Every morning, she would wake up and say thank you for the sunshine, thank you for the flowers, and thank you for the birds singing in the trees. Layla's heart was always full of gratitude. One day, Layla's grandmother told her something very special. She said, Allah tells us in the Quran, in Surah Ibrahim, chapter 14, verse 7, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor." Layla's eyes grew wide with wonder. "What does that mean, Grandma?" she asked. Her grandmother smiled warmly and explained that when we say thank you and feel grateful for what we have, Allah blesses us with even more goodness. Layla decided to practice being grateful every single day. She thanked her parents for her meals, she thanked her teacher for helping her learn, and she even thanked the rain for watering her garden. Something amazing started to happen. Layla noticed more and more blessings around her. She made new friends at school, her garden grew more beautiful flowers than ever before, and her family felt happier together. Layla realized that gratitude was like a special key that opened doors to more blessings. The more she said thank you, the more reasons she found to be thankful. Her heart felt lighter, and her smile grew brighter. She understood now what her grandmother meant about Allah's promise. From that day on, Layla taught all her friends about being grateful. She would remind them that when we appreciate what we have, no matter how small, Allah gives us even more to be thankful for. And every night before bed, Layla would whisper her thanks, knowing that gratitude was the most beautiful gift of all.